Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the HP EliteBook. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps to diagnose and fix common issues with this laptop model. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are crucial for safely opening the device and preventing any static damage. Begin by powering off the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This is an important safety step before proceeding with any internal work. Now locate the screws on the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back cover removed, you will have access to the internal components. Take a moment to inspect for any visible damage or dust accumulation. If you notice dust, use compressed air to clean the fans and vents. This can significantly improve performance and prevent overheating. If you suspect a hardware issue, such as a failing hard drive or RAM, now is the time to check these components. To remove the hard drive, locate the screws securing it in place and carefully disconnect it. If you need to replace it, remember to check our service for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, let's look at the RAM. If your EliteBook has multiple RAM slots, ensure they are seated properly. If you need assistance, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your laptop repaired without any hassle. After checking these components, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Carefully place the back cover on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned properly to avoid any issues when powering on. Before you power it back on, double-check that all connections are secure and that no tools are left inside the laptop. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer no calls, no travel services, so you can relax while we handle the repair for you. Once everything is in place, reconnect the battery and power on the device. Monitor its performance to ensure that the issues have been resolved. If problems persist, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our team is here to help you get your HP EliteBook back to optimal condition. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful in understanding the repair process for your HP EliteBook. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.